Hey guys, this is going to be kind of a unique project. We're going to build a back end of a Laravel website using Backpack. Now, Backpack is not just a single package, it is a suite of many different packages where you can add and remove certain functionality. So this is an example of the back end. This is, if you see up here, /admin/login. We're just calling this BP website for Backpack website. And you can register if you want, but you can also remove that functionality. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and just log in here. Oops, I put a comma there. All right, and then that's going to redirect us to the dashboard. So by default, all you get is the dashboard with the base package. You don't have all of these links here. This is all stuff that we're going to add on to this. So if we look over here, we have a file manager. We can actually upload files here. Okay, if we click upload files, you can bring them in. You can also drag them from your computer, and you can use these files in your website. We also installed a language manager, so we can add different languages if we want. We can activate certain languages, and if you look here, language files, you can kind of write translations and stuff here. We also added a CRUD resource of customers, so we can add customers. See, if we click that, we can fill out a form that will add a customer. We put name, email, and phone. We can edit, we can delete them. We didn't add functionality for customers on the front end, but of course you can do that because you have a database to work with, and it's easy to create these CRUD resources using generators. And then finally, we have a pages area where it's basically a CMS. We can create pages here. You can see we have the home page, services, about. We can open these up and it'll actually show them in the front end. Okay, and we created a nav bar with the different links to these pages. Okay, if I click edit, we can edit. You see there's a WYSIWYG editor. So there's a lot of features in Backpack, and it's actually one of my favorite Laravel packages or suite of different packages. All right, so that's what we'll be building, guys, something a little different, and I will see you in the next video.